New numbers show the same old problem spots in the states. Data on outbreaks show food processing plants, prisons, and senior care facilities with the most cases. Liz Kotalik is breaking down the numbers.
The Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment releases information on outbreaks every Wednesday. So here's the latest. When you're talking total numbers, there's been at least 5,957 COVID-19 cases and 644 deaths in outbreaks across Colorado. Nursing homes and senior care facilities have accounted for the deadliest outbreaks in our state. The Sterling Correctional Facility still has the largest amount of cases. 539 inmates have tested positive with the virus, as well as 22 staff members. That's almost 100 new cases at the prison since last week. The JBS meatpacking plant is still the deadliest workplace in Colorado when it comes to the pandemic. 5 new cases from last week, bringing the total to 273 confirmed cases and 6 confirmed employee deaths. When it comes to grocery stores, there have been 105 cases at 12 grocery stores across Colorado. That case number was 90 last week. The King Soopers in Capitol Hill still has 2 confirmed deaths. 3 employees have died at a Walmart in Aurora. As restaurants begin to open up to dine-in customers, they've seen relatively few outbreaks comparatively. CDPHE reported 22 confirmed cases involving 7 restaurants around Colorado. No deaths have been linked to this industry yet. And hopefully it stays that way as our state continues to open up. Ironically, a hand sanitizer lab is now also on the list of outbreaks in our state. The name of the company is Aura Labs. They have 18 confirmed COVID-19 cases and another 18 probable COVID-19 cases at that facility. We have a list of all of the outbreaks in Colorado on our website, natasha9news.com.
Yeah. You know, I hate to see that this is happening once again. We're seeing the same problem spots. Hopefully, people running these factories can look at these problem spots and make some changes. We'll have to see. Liz, thank you.